Have you ever tried to visit a website in Google Chrome only to get that frustrating "your clock is ahead" or "your clock is behind" error? Don't worry, you're definitely not alone, and thankfully, this problem is usually pretty straightforward to fix. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to correct your device's clock, handle related browser issues, and get right back to browsing safely. Let's dive right in. The first and most important thing you'll want to do is adjust your device's date and time settings. The reason Chrome throws up these errors is because your device's clock is out of sync with the internet's official time, and that messes with website security certificates. On Windows, this is really easy to check. Head down to the clock in your taskbar and give it a right click. You'll see an option that says Adjust Date Time. Go ahead and select that. On the settings page, look for two switches, Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically. Make sure both of those are turned on. What this does is tell Windows to keep your clock in sync based on your location and official time servers. Sometimes, even with these on, the time might be off. Maybe your device hasn't checked for updates in a while, or there was a hiccup. If that's the case, look for the option called Sync Now under Synchronize Your Clock. Click that, and Windows will reach out to a time server to instantly update your clock. This usually resolves the Chrome error right away, but don't worry if it takes a minute to update. Next, the issue might actually be within Chrome itself, so let's do a little basic browser troubleshooting. Start by clearing your cache and cookies. Why is this important? Well, sometimes outdated or corrupted cache files can interfere with how Chrome processes websites, including SSL certificates involved in your clock's error message. Head into Chrome Settings, find Clear Browsing Data, and clear your cache and cookies. Give Chrome a restart and see if you're able to visit the site without errors. If not, let's move to the next step. Make sure your version of Chrome is up to date. Older versions sometimes struggle with newer website security standards. To check for updates, just click on the three-dot menu in the upper right, find Help, and then About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and apply them if needed. Let it finish. This might take a couple minutes depending on your connection. One more thing that's worth checking is your Chrome extensions. Some extensions, especially ones related to privacy or security, can block connections and make Chrome think there's a clock issue. Try disabling all your extensions for a moment. If the error goes away, re-enable them one by one until you figure out which one is causing the problem. If everything looks good but you're still seeing the clock error, there are a few other things you can try. First, do a simple restart of your computer. Sometimes minor software glitches just need a fresh start, like turning it off and on again. Another smart move is to check for malware. If a virus or other malicious software has managed to change your system settings, it can definitely mess with your clock or browser. Run your antivirus program, or you can even use the built-in Windows Defender scan. If, after all these steps, you're still stuck, your last resort is to reinstall Chrome. Uninstall it, download the latest version from the official website, and install it fresh. This clears out any deep-seated issues that might be affecting the browser's connection to secure sites. That's all there is to it. If you follow these steps, you should have your browsing back on track in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into trouble, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching.